Tired of fad diets and looking for a holistic approach to weight management? Then keep watching, because today we're diving deep into the world of Ayurvedic weight loss supplements. We're putting supplement name under the microscope, examining everything from its ingredient list, which boasts powerful herbs like mentioned 23 key ingredients like ginger, turmeric, triphala, to the core Ayurvedic principles it claims to be based on. Ayurveda views weight gain as an imbalance in the doshas, particularly kapha. This supplement aims to rebalance these energies, promoting healthy digestion and metabolism. But does it actually work? We'll explore the science, why or lack thereof, why behind each ingredient, and weigh it against real user reviews. Are people seeing results, or is it just clever marketing? Ultimately, we'll give you our verdict on supplement name. Is it a worthwhile addition to your Ayurvedic lifestyle, or should you stick to tried and true methods like diet and exercise? Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. And let me know in the comments, what Ayurvedic supplements have you tried?